Hello, today I have a great and easy recipe, and it is sourdough pancakes. This recipe is very important to me because the first time I ever made sourdough pancakes, I didn't like them. But after a long time, I decided to give them another chance, and I created my own sourdough pancake recipe. These pancakes are so delicious and very easy to make. So, here we go! Pour 250 grams or 2 cups of all-purpose flour in a sifter. Add 7 grams or 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Sift the flour and the baking soda well to remove any lumps. Add 70 grams or a third of a cup of sugar. Add 6 grams or 1 teaspoon of salt. And mix well all the dry ingredients with a whisk. Pour in another bowl 420 grams or 1 3/4 cups of buttermilk. If you don't have buttermilk, you can substitute it with 420 grams of milk and 1 3/4 tablespoons of white vinegar. Add 100 grams, which is about 2 large eggs, and 100 grams or a third of a cup of sourdough starter. You can use discard for this recipe. Mix all the ingredients well with a dough whisk until the sourdough starter dissolves in the mix. Add all the dry ingredients and mix well with a whisk. As you keep mixing, add 110 grams or 1 stick of melted butter. Mix until you get this consistency. Not too runny, but not too solid as well. Let the batter rest for at least 15 minutes while you get your pan ready. Get a cast iron pan and preheat it at a medium-low temperature. I love to make these buttermilk pancakes in my cast iron pan. The texture in the end is perfect. To make your pancakes, pour 1 cup of the batter on the hot pan. Be mindful of the temperature of your pan, since cast iron heats up really fast. So it is better to cook at a lower temperature longer than to burn your pancakes. Wait until your pancake bubbles all around on the surface and flip it around carefully. Let the pancake cook well on the other side, and place the pancakes on a tray to keep them warm. Repeat the same process with the rest of the pancakes, and make sure to maintain the same size on all your pancakes. In the end, enjoy your pancakes with your favorite toppings. I love my pancakes with fresh raspberries, blueberries, and some great maple syrup. These pancakes are delicious, easy to make, and a great recipe to use your sourdough discard. Enjoy! I really hope that you can make these pancakes. I'm pretty sure that you're gonna love them. If you like this video, please click in the like button. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I have a new video every week. Thank you for watching.